Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode's easiest, one of the easiest question that is, and it's a daily question as well, that is 3 consecutive odds, 15 and 50. And then this will be given an integer array, ARR. Just know that if the array's name is ARR, it's the easiest question. And we have to return true if there are 3 consecutive odd numbers in the array, otherwise we have to return false. For example, we are having the array as 2641. So there are no 3 consecutive odd integers, so we are returning false. But in the next case, we are having 3 consecutive odds that are 5, 7, and 23. So we have to return true. Okay. So now what we will be doing is we'll be having a streak variable that is current equal to 0, and then I'll be having that for int num and array. What I'll be checking is that if my num and 1, I hope that everyone knows that for odd numbers this rightmost set bit is 1. Yeah, I was just confusing rightmost cells with rightmost and leftmost. Okay, so in that case I'll be increasing my streak. Well, then I'll be checking that if my current streak becomes 3, then I have to return true. Okay, return no, return else, return true. Yeah, else I'll be making my current streak equal to 0. Okay, and at the end, if I don't find the answer, I'll return false. Now let's submit it. Oh, I didn't even give it a run. Yeah, I've run it just now. Yeah, and it gets accepted, and it's submitting side by side as well. Yeah, and it gets accepted and works for the final as well. Okay, so this worked for you. Thank you for watching.